floor must be level and up to TCNA standards. Using Flush Cut Tool, remove existing subfloor from shower footprint. For curbless installation, make sure to recess the subfloor so it is even with the top of the floor joist. Lay a bead of subfloor adhesive on top of the blocking. Then install the plywood subfloor. Secure with nails or screws. Next, drill a 3.5-inch hole at the drain location. First, remove screws and adjustment panel from WallDrain. Measure from the wall to the center of the drain and measure the overall shower width. Record these measurements to modify the vertical installation panel. Mark and cut vertical installation panel to fit. Then connect the drain to the waste pipe with approved 2-band coupling. Slide the drain body into place, making sure the drain is level. Connect the drain to DWV system. Secure the PET vertical installation panel to the framing with water-resistant screws. Next, install the included 1-inch PET furring strips. Mark 8 3/4 inch measurement on vertical installation panel from drain flange. Mark the level line. Using 2.5-inch screws, install wallboard 8 3/4 inches above the horizontal flange on the drain over the vertical installation panel and furring strips. First, set the ADA Quickslope panels in place. Mark and cut to size. Be sure to fit around flange. Then, dry fit into place. Make sure the area is clear of debris using a damp sponge. Next, using a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch square notched trowel, put down a layer of modified or rapid set thin set. Set Quickslope panels in place. Press down firmly into place. Walk on the panels to fully embed into the thin set. Put down a layer of thin set on the exterior of the shower footprint. Then install underlayment to match elevation of Quickslope panels. Press firmly into place and walk on to fully embed into the thin set. Secure with approved fasteners per the cement board manufacturer. Prep the drain by removing the tape. Thoroughly clean the flange with Hercules for hands, acetone, or goof off to remove all residue. When installing transition tape, overlap the flange by 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch onto stainless steel on all 4 sides. Overlap by 1.5 inches onto adjacent tape at the ends. Install provided foam insert into the drain body. Next, apply liquid waterproofing to each corner of the shower. Then, place included non-woven inside corners into the waterproofing while it is still wet. Using the provided 6-inch reinforcement fabric, pre-cut pieces to sizes for all seams and PET foam edges. Place reinforcement fabric into the liquid waterproofing. Reinforcement fabric is to be used at all vertical and horizontal transitions and all seams in PET Quickslope panels. Apply waterproofing around drain body. Then apply liquid waterproofing to the wall and floor transitions and over the seam of the rear wall. Apply a coat of liquid waterproofing over the entire shower pan, the vertical installation panel, and 6 inches up the walls. Let it cure. Once cured, cut the liquid waterproofing at the edge of the foam and remove the insert. Start by measuring the width for the adjustment panel. Mark and cut the adjustment panel and tile edging to size. Be sure to cut from one side to maximize magnet placement using a grinder or bandsaw. Then, place the adjustment panel flush with wallboard. After making sure it is level, install provided screws in tile edging along with water-resistant screws into the framing. Next, apply liquid waterproofing to the seam of the adjustment panel and wallboard. Place reinforcement fabric over the horizontal joint. Cover the reinforcement fabric with liquid waterproofing. First, measure the distance between the walls and the ends of the trough. Next, cut the extensions to length using an angle grinder with metal cutting wheel. Turn over the extensions and put a strip of transition tape on the back side of each. Apply thin set over the transition tape on the back side of the drain extensions. Use more thin set nearest the wall and less near the drain. Install drain extensions so the ends are flush with the drain body, slightly angled towards the drain. The outside edge of the drain extension must be flush with the stainless steel adjustment panel. Next, set floor tile. Floor tile must be set prior to cover installation. To trim the tile-in cover, measure the distance for the cover from sidewall to sidewall, and be sure to deduct for the thickness of the wall tile on each side. After cutting the tile-in cover to size, place standoffs on either end. Loosen the screws on the adjustment panel. Place tile-in cover into position. This provides the correct position for the tile edging. Let the tile edging drop all the way down onto the top of the tile-in cover. Retighten the screws. Place magnets into the tile-in cover. Magnets will align themselves. Then, adhere the transition tape over the magnets, making sure all magnets are fully covered. The transition tape must extend fully across the tile-in cover. Remove the tile-in cover and Always start by tiling in the cover first using thinset. Complete tile and grout installation on all walls. Then, place the tile-in cover into position. Clean off with Hercules for body.